Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Ocean theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. So click on that and you need to update your Messenger application. My Messenger is up to date. Then you need to go back and you simply need to open Messenger application. So once you open, you simply need to select any person. So I'm going to select this person. Click on the person name and you need to click on theme, and here you need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see Ocean. So you simply need to select that. Here you can see previewing Ocean, select that, and now you can see that Ocean theme is activated for this conversation. Here you can see as well. Let me show you. Here you can see. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.